What's up? Are you tired of paying transfer fees when sending money from your BPI account to other local banks? I have a game changer for you. I'll show you how to do an InstaPay transfer from BPI to any other bank for absolutely zero fee using the Vybe App. Let's get your transfer done. First, open the Vybe App. On the home screen, you'll see your wallet balance. Since this balance is what we'll be using for the free transfer, we must first fund it. Tap on the Vybe eWallet. Then, tap on the Add Money button. Select your BPI source account. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Tap Next. For security, the app will send a one-time PIN or OTP to your registered BPI mobile number. Tap Yes, send me the code. Input the OTP, then hit Submit. The Add Money successful confirmation will appear. Now that your Vybe wallet is funded, let's initiate the free transfer. In the Vybe eWallet interface, tap on the Send to Bank button. Select the recipient bank from the drop-down list. Next, enter the recipient's account name and carefully input the recipient's account number. Enter the exact amount you wish to transfer. This amount cannot exceed your current Vybe wallet balance. Review all details one last time and tap Next. You will now see the final review screen. Crucially, look for the transaction fee and confirm that it shows 0. That's how you know you're saving money. If everything looks correct, tap the Send Money button. Enter your MPIN, which you created during registration, then tap Next. And there you have it. Successful, instant, and completely free transfer. Remember, the key is to fund your Vybe wallet first, then use the Send to Bank option. If this video helped you save some pesos, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button.